Elite Fleet installations. Just showing you this StarLine M66 we've done on this FordTransit. It's a 2007. It's a bit of an older vehicle, but the customer was looking for a bit of security, wanted to track and immobilisation. So the M66 comes with shock, tilt and motion sensor built into the tracker, and then you can add in immobilisation very easily as well. So I'm going to show you it in action. We've got the battery out the tag. It's currently armed. You see the bubble over the vehicle. And then that's the owner's card there, which has the emergency override numbers on the back of there. So I'm just going to show you what happens if I try to put the ignition on. Ignition's on, nothing comes on the dashboard. And if we go back to the app, it's violated, it's gone red. And now it's ringing my customer.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Dial 0.
So now we've had a phone call. It's alerted us that someone's tried to put the ignition on, and we've put in the 0, and then that's now going to reset. We've dialed 0 into the car, so we've said yeah, we've accepted it, and it'll just short time, it'll reset and go back to normal. So that's it, it's gone back to normal, vehicle's armed. And then if I just pop a battery back in the tag, that's a battery back in the tag, and then that's it disarmed. So it shows you no bubble above the car, tells you it's disarmed. And then now if I put the ignition on, ignition comes on, and I can start the vehicle as normal. And that's it. It's a passive immobiliser, so you walk away. As soon as you walk away with the tag in your hand, it automatically arms. So if I just take the battery out of the tag again, walks away from the vehicle, within 10 seconds it automatically rearms. And just put the battery back in there as if you walked up to the vehicle. As you walk up, automatically, it's a lot quicker with the battery in there. As you're walking up with motion, there you go, disarms. And then we've got valet mode. We can put it in valet mode direct from the app, so now it's in valet mode. Then we'll take it out the same way. So your valet mode is enabled. And that's it. Out of valet mode. So that is the M66 from StarLine. It's a smart tracker, shock, tilt and motion sensor. You can add in siren, you can add in immobilisation. Interested? Give us a call.